Everybody's looking for it to go really super fast, and everything takes time. And without giving the plugin, or not, it's not really a plugin, without giving that pixel time to be able to work, those playbooks aren't going to happen. So our AI SEO tool is designed off of all of the playbooks I've been doing. I've done thousands upon thousands of websites for SEO, from local businesses up to e-commerce to a lot of different pieces. But if you don't give it time to play that playbook out and go through and do all of the stuff, it is going to come back and it is going to hurt you. Because what happens is we connect Google Search Console, we connect Google Analytics. It is making decisions. It makes a little tweak here. It waits to see what the results are, makes another tweak. And what I see a lot of business owners want to do is they go, oh, we'll change this. Boom, change this. Oh, change this. Oh, this doesn't link to the right place. Change this, do this. And what's happening is you're changing stuff, but then it goes off of the playbook. And the minute you take everything off of the playbook and you don't let the playbook actually work, you're going to shift it a different direction. Now it's going on your playbook. And your playbook, maybe it's proven, maybe it's there.